Fire!
An old farm shed was alight. Thomas saw Percy.
Thomas! I'm here, Percy! I'll help!
Percy was helping to fight the fire. His face was smudged and sooty. Percy peeped, pleased to see his best friend.
I'm running out of water, Thomas. We need more. Don't worry, Percy. I have lots.
Sir Topham Hatt was worried.
The fire must not spread. Sodor must not be in danger.
The two best friends faced the flames.
Here it is, Bob.
Firemen and farm workers ran and raced. Buckets of water sloshed and splashed from the engines to the flames. Thomas and Percy wheezed with worry.
What can we do, Thomas? We're doing our best, Percy.
Suddenly they heard a bell. It clanged and clanged. It was loud and long. Percy was puzzled.
What's that?
Then, out of the smoke, steamed Bell. Belle had just arrived on the island. Her brass bell rang. Her whistle blew.
I can help